Hello everybody, Brian here again from quantlabs.net. Okay, so yesterday I put up a video here called Demo to Download Hundreds of Cryptocurrency Pairs via CCXT Python package from Binance, BitMEX, and OKEx. Those are the exchanges. So now we are going to expand in that video on my YouTube channel at Quant Labs. You will know I did have a bug in there, a stupid one, of hard coding when I'm copying as a string. So let me just show you the corrected code. It's very simple. All I'm doing instead, this was the bug. So I've added a few lines in terms of coding quality. I really don't care. I just want it quick and dirty and running. So what I do here is basically I feed in the line from the pairs text file, and then I am able to basically replace using regex or reg expressions, replace all the white spaces with null in the line, and then copy to itself, and therefore also remove any instances of minus signs, and then print it out. So sometimes I might get a null or something or other, and then just transfer as you've seen in the previous video, the new line of the symbol with this line to call the Python script to download from the OK exchange or OKEx hourly timeline, and then issue the command, the terminal command, and then voila, it runs. So here we have a running session. This took about let's see, 20 minutes. So let me just talk about another topic here. So here I ran it, and these are the number of files, the CSV files from the OK exchange, which are basically the currency pairs. So with the WC, the word count, the latest one is 474. So if I do it, we should be on here. I think I moved my directory. Just give me a second here. Okay, so everything's been moved into my other folder, so I should be able to run this now. So now I have 525 pairs from the OK exchange, or OKEx, all these CSVs now. So the next step is I can run, if you've been watching, I have not yet posted the video, but there's so much going on here. I just posted this. With a video's coming, just getting rendered right now. Actually, it will get posted to this other post on my blog at quantlabs.net/blogs. Here's the headline: Wow, 107 cryptocurrency pair scan of Binance reveal huge moves with automated head and shoulder indicator. Now that's just a cryptic indicator. I have yet to do the inverted one for market correction, which has come from the powers to be, and you will find that this video, which is 44 minutes, will indicate a lot of cryptocurrency pairs that have some pretty big moves over the last, well, we'll call them a few days, but I'm able to do it obviously more in real time, as I can scan it on an hourly basis. Now, because of the length of time it takes to do these scans, just to download the data, this took, I'm going to estimate, about half an hour, 20 minutes. Yet to run the charts for this post here with the automated head and shoulder, that can take about 20 minutes again, and then you just go through, and then if you watch the video, you will know I have a Word document here which will show when it breaches the neckline or the little green dot that's talked about in my first video, in this one right here, demo of automated head and shoulders with XRB, BTC, hourly cryptocurrency data from Binance. So again, what I've just run is for OKEx, and that again gives me access to 525 pairs. That's a lot. So now if I look at my Binance data and did the same thing, just to give you a comparison, we are dealing from 235 pairs all the way up now to 525 pairs. So I've now pretty well more than doubled my opportunities to find even more cryptocurrency pairs in the OKEx exchange with these pretty extreme price moves on the upside. So I'm pretty excited. I'm going to run that now and see what we output. So again, let me just show you the code here for the corrected way to download the code for OKEx, and from that OKEx pairs a text file that you can get from that video that I posted yesterday with the correction one I just showed you. Again, demo to download hundreds of cryptocurrency pairs via CCXT Python package from Binance, BitMEX, and OKEx. So we are well on our way to doubling our opportunity just alone on that one correction. Pretty exciting times. We'll talk to you later.